Well, if you're still looking for that last-minute gift idea for the men in your life, look no further. We have Patrick Levesque here with MASC. You're joining us to give us some ideas on what to get that special person. And
Yes.
I'm already digging these because they're just kind of fun to play with even.
Yeah, so MASC is a men's skincare and grooming product store in Vancouver. We've got lots of good stuff like this, skincare, hair, body, fragrances. So this brand here, Fulton and Rourke, they started out as a solid wax-based cologne brand. As you can see, you just slide them open like this, and you just apply like so. So they're great for travel, and you can't go wrong with any of the scents. So it's not one of those like polarizing things where it's like, ugh.
Yeah, they're not super strong.
They're not super strong, but they have good lasting power. And recently they've expanded, and so you can kind of create a whole layering system with the fragrance. So they have the bar soaps that match the fragrance, and then they also have deodorants. So like this one here.
Oh, there you go.
That. These are alcohol and aluminum free, and they are also refillable. So
that's fantastic.
Absolutely, yeah.
Oh, it smells really nice
so you can,
too.
Yeah, so
really
you can get
does.
a whole system for someone, or you can just buy these things individually. A great gift though.
Yeah, that is. What's the price point on that? Do you know?
So it's like $126 for the whole set, but if you were to get the solid colognes, they're $75, $26, and then $32 for the initial deodorant, and then $23 for refills.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
So yeah, you get a little bit of a deal if you buy
Absolutely.
that. Okay,
Yeah.
Fantastic. Now, how long has MASC been around?
We're celebrating 15 years.
You're kidding?
Yeah.
Wow.
So, and we've been here, I mean, almost every year during that time. So it's great to be back again.
Yeah, it's awesome. Okay, so what do you have over here?
So, oftentimes you're not sure what you want to get someone when it comes to skincare and grooming, so we've got some sets here that are great. Some of them are more face focused or skincare focused, body, beard as well, and some fragrance as well. Grown Alchemist is a great brand from Australia. They've got some really sleek packages. They have the best of what science and nature can provide in terms of their formulations and really sleek packaging, and all of their gift sets, this is one of them, are like almost half price of what they would normally be for the individual product, so it's a great deal.
Yeah.
And then these fragrances here, this little perfume duo I really love. For example, the dark rum perfume oil. Comes in this little set. It's so good. Also a great gift idea for someone.
A little fruity.
Yeah.
Yeah, it smells nice. Smells nice. Okay.
And in terms of other sets, we've created a curated set of a number of different things from our store. And this whole package here is $99. Would be $165 normally. One of the products here is a 1 liter bottle of body wash. It's an invigorating mint from a brand called Rael. It's a Vancouver-based brand.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And they also have their pilot kit in here, which will include a smaller version, a travel-size version of their body wash, a face cleanser, their day and their night moisturizer. It makes a great stocking stuffer. And then we also have this little Christmas cracker. So this is cool. It kind of introduces someone to using some anti-aging products. It's a vitamin C serum, as well as an under eye mask. So those little patches could be fun for Christmas morning or New Year's Day, something like that.
I could use some right now.
Yes, the early mornings. Comes with a bath soak. So this is another Canadian brand. There's a number of different formulations, but you'll get one of them in there. This whole set is kind of designed to sort of give someone some time to recharge and get ready for the new year. After the last couple of years, I think it's really important. I think people recognize the importance of just taking care of themselves and having that time.
And it has some face masks. Now, do you see men doing that? Because they're very popular on the women's side of things.
Absolutely.
Are men taking part of that?
Men are taking care of their skin. They're using masks, a few times a week, and they're more curious. And once the people see the benefits of these products, then they're all about it. So this actual Christmas card here comes in the box as well, and it will come with one of these masks. So you'll either get a gentleman's sheet mask, a brightening mask, or a super eye mask. Another fun thing you can do on Christmas Day. But again, all of this stuff is included in it. And have you seen, I guess, because you've been around for 15 years, I guess the difference over the years, are men taking more interest in taking care of Absolutely.
the skin?
When we first started, it was kind of, there were some people that were interested in it, and there was that term, the metrosexual, and so that's gone out the window. I haven't heard that in almost 15 years. People really take care of their skin, they take care of their hair, and they're more conscious about what they're using. So alcohol and aluminum-free deodorants are a big thing for us. And just a good, solid skincare routine is, a staple for many.
Yeah, you make a good point with the alcohol-free and all that. I guess people are thinking more health-wise
Yes.
as well. What are you putting on your skin?
Yes, there are so many great brands out there now, and all brands are moving in that direction. I would argue that we have probably the biggest selection of alcohol and aluminum-free deodorants maybe in the world, but otherwise
Wow.
in North America. It's a small store, but we've got a lot in there.
All right, and you have one more thing to show us
Yeah, so
here.
this collection here is just kind of a reminder if you're not sure skincare-wise what you might get someone or fragrance-wise, we have a lot of staples. So I mentioned the alcohol and aluminum-free deodorants. We've got those. This is a brand called Salt and Stone. They've got some great formulations, all natural. This is eucalyptus, super fresh. Also hairstyling products. We sell a lot of that. Guys are, all about their hair. So if you have someone that likes to have a matte finish, kind of natural look, the Claymation is great. It's a stronghold matte finish product, or a little bit of shine. The Imperial Classic Pomade is good. But if you have someone that has a beard or they're into shaving, then we've got targeted products for those. And we're in Vancouver, 433 Davie Street, shopmask.com. You can order online now. Actually, Jamie, who's usually here with me, is waiting to answer questions on our website right now.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah, and otherwise I'll be at the store later today and every day until Christmas.
Well, that's what's nice, if you have someone that can actually guide you through, because especially with the beard thing, I had to learn about it because my husband and whatever, I was like, what? There's a lot of questions, a lot of things to find out. So MASC is a good place to turn to for that information.
Absolutely, yes.
Well, thank you so much for spending some time with us.
Thank
Happy
you for
holidays to you.
Happy holidays to you too.